Hi, I'm Scott Schmidt. I'm an Applications Engineering Manager at Aerotech. NIF, or National Ignition Facility, is the world's largest and highest energy laser source. It's worth mentioning that NIF is as large as a sports facility. 192 individual beams are guided throughout the facility and focused onto one target, typically a few millimeters in dimension. Because the high energy physics behind this allow NIF to recreate the conditions that might occur in a nuclear reaction, or maybe even at the center of the sun, a whole bunch of interesting science is now possible. This allows advances in nuclear stockpile stewardship, weapons physics, energy of course, and also astrophysics. Producing fusion in a laboratory setting is a huge scientific milestone because it brings us one step closer to being free from fossil fuel energy and other non-renewable sources. Aerotech was one of hundreds of industrial suppliers that participated with NIF. We did this actually in a number of different ways. Maybe the most interesting one had to do with the assembly of the fusion target, which consists of a fuel pellet housed within a whole realm assembly. The target itself requires nanometer level precision to assemble. Aerotech was part of a team of companies that won an R&D 100 award in 2009 for the robotic assembly that was used to assemble the fusion targets. Aerotech motion control is key to the success of NIF because it is one of the few available technologies that can meet the stringent levels of precision required by NIF scientists and engineers. The future of NIF is very, very exciting. From exploring the origin of stars to continued research in fusion energy, the future is very bright. Aerotech is both humbled and amazed that we get to participate in this ongoing research and to be part of such a big scientific development.